Clara, let's just talk about what you're doing at Filecoin is at the intersection of everything that we're talking about as we've discussed. What's the latest? What's coming up at Filecoin? Give us some alpha here.
Yeah, so Filecoin is one of the longest running blockchain crypto projects out there. But from the very beginning, our mission has been to be the world's largest decentralized storage network. And building a decentralized storage network is very challenging because there's a lot of technical implementations that are just 10 times harder when you're dealing with decentralized networks. But the most exciting part the last year is we're really laser focused in commercializing Filecoin into enterprise workloads. So just less than a few months ago, we rolled out a new product called Fill1. And Fill1 is basically an S3 interface for traditional Web 2 enterprise users to be able to immediately use Filecoin. Historically, if you were to ask me 3 or 4 years ago, using Filecoin was more of a Raspberry Pi experience where you had to be a little bit more sophisticated as a builder or as a technologist to be able to adequately use Filecoin in your existing workloads. And now you have a seamless experience that is as easy as using S3, except you're using it on decentralized rails, and you can really fully own and control your data. So I think that's the most exciting part. Earlier in this segment, I also talked about Filecoin on-chain cloud, which actually launched last fall. And Filecoin on-chain cloud is another really exciting product out of our ecosystem, which allows you to do agentic payments, but also be able to pay for data. So when you think about the payment rails of an agent paying another agent for a piece of data, Filecoin on-chain cloud is that suite of tools that allows you to do exactly that. So I think the two combined are super exciting developments for the ecosystem. And I'm always happy to share more, but there's a whole ton of use cases that both products unlock for what's possible with what we can do with file storage today.
Yeah, the S3 thing is super interesting. I'm curious in terms of AI. I mean, we're on Amazon, but I'm managing everything with my AI with basically from Claude Code. I mean, does that make it easier to use the Filecoin
Yeah, I think at the end of the
stuff?
day,
Yeah.
you can absolutely use it to store your Claude Code data, right? It's just an S3 interface. The thing that we really did was we took the technology, which was a lot of really good technical jargon, and we translated to make it really easy for everyday people to use and for agents to use. So it's actually also cheaper than S3 and a number of other cloud providers. So we
Interesting.
absolutely also beat on cost. But it's something we've been working towards for a very long time to really reach that point.